Today we're making tasty stuffed peppers with meat and rice. Let's get started. In this video, we're making a mouth-watering dish inspired by classic stuffed cabbage rolls but using colorful bell peppers. We start by chopping bell peppers, onions, potatoes, carrots, and beef. The beef and onions are blended in a chopper for a smooth texture. Meanwhile, we heat oil in a deep pan on the stove. The ground beef and onions go into the hot oil and fry together. Once they turn slightly browned, we add the chopped potatoes and carrots. A spoonful of tomato paste goes in for extra flavor. After frying everything for 5 minutes, we pour in water to make a rich broth and let it simmer for 20 minutes. While it cooks, we prepare the stuffing, a mix of minced meat, cooked rice, and black pepper. This filling goes inside the hollow bell peppers. We place the stuffed peppers into boiling water and cook them for 40 minutes until tender and juicy. Now they're ready to serve, hearty, healthy, and full of flavor. Don't forget to subscribe and explore more delicious recipes with us.